What's happening, guys? Another Saturday in the workshop. It's getting cold. Still, winter is here. So I need to get this hand done. I hope you've enjoyed the last couple of videos. If you haven't watched them yet, go back and watch them. So we're on the third episode, I believe. I've been getting on with this a little bit because my week kind of went a bit wrong. Anyway, this van that was supposed to be bagging this week didn't turn up until Wednesday. Got the management done, bags, still aren't here for it, so I can't finish it off either. So at the beginning of the week, I actually was able to get on with the WestBus, but I didn't pick up the camera for any of it because I was just getting on with it, so sorry about that. So far, this is what I've been getting on with. I've got the floor tied back in. I haven't cleaned any of it up yet, so don't slate me too much on how it doesn't look that pretty. But yeah, just sort of brought in these angles, tried to use the original bit of floor along here. Yeah, just tied all the strengtheners and everything back in the corners, in and out of skins, get the floor, or the step and everything tied back in, and in the rear. Yeah, got that in, like sloped at the angle that I put in. Cleaned that one up a little bit. So they're all ready to be sort of seamed, sealed and painted. Today, I'm gonna start getting on with the rear tubs. I'd like to get these achieved today, but it also does take a while to do tubs. So I might get one done today, who knows. First up, just get it jacked up. Get jacked up, get some wheels off so I can start getting some cardboard in there, make some templates. Yeah, start making some tubs. Let's go. Alright guys, it's day 2. Obviously yesterday I didn't do any filming at all. I was in a bit of a bad mood yesterday. Nothing was really going to plan until the end of the day, and I actually realised that it had gone alright. So that'll be a better day. We'll start filming again. So I was getting really frustrated yesterday doing these tubs. It just wasn't going how I wanted it to go. In the end, it's kind of turned out alright. It all needs pushing into place properly, but yes, I don't really know what more to say about it, to be honest. That one's there. I've got to weld it all in and everything. It's not welded. It's welded together, as in, those two pieces and that. But I've got to trim and clean and weld it in. So today I think I'm gonna make this one now, and then I'll weld them all in another day, because I think it'll take most of the day again today to just make that one. Like it did yesterday. Took all day to make that, and I was getting frustrated. But that's life. No one ever says things go perfectly every time. Some days you're just not as talented as other days, or you don't feel it. But hey, we move. So yeah, let's get back into it and start making this other tub. the top of the tub, put it together, slide it in place. I'm just gonna put some bead rolls in the front of this tub before I get going any further. Bead rolls, I don't know, used for, just put a bit of strength in there. They just look pretty sometimes. So I'm just gonna put some of them in. You'll like, see our little, very primitive bead roller. It's probably a tool that we should upgrade at some point, but you know, we don't do tubs that often, so never mind. Right. All right, so, woo, look at that. So I went off camera for a bit. I scribed in this top section, obviously into the width that it needs to be, and welded on a lip along the top, because I can't obviously weld to the outside of the van, because then it will, you know, burn through here. The end plan with this is to paint it, but I've been without my daddy for long enough, so I'm just trying to get it welded up, get it all back together, so I can use it again. I think the next round of it being off the road, like paint, will probably be in the new year sometime. So for now, yeah, obviously the tubs will be bonded on the outside. Obviously I'll be able to weld them all the way around, and join them in to the old tubs there and there. I didn't really need to leave this strengthener in. I don't know why. I've only just come to the conclusion. I've been battling this the whole time. I could have just cut this strengthener out, because all that really does is ties to that bit and that bit. I might still do that anyway. I might just, because I've still got to, you know, connect in like these corner bits. So before I weld it in, I might just cut this back off again, just to make my life easier. So yeah, it'll be bonded onto the outer panel, welded along and everything. But for now, I've got to weld up all of that seam like I did on that one. So yes, I'm going to get busy, weld that up. All right, that'll do for one weekend. It's actually dark outside now, and it's Sunday. So I hope you've all enjoyed this video. Wow, what happened to my voice then? I hope you all enjoyed this video. Maybe short. I actually don't know what I filmed. I can't remember. I always forget. So Hopefully it's not been too short or too long, or too boring. I'll catch you in the next one. I'll probably get all those tubs and everything welded up in the week. Probably won't film it, I don't know, because it's gonna be a bit boring. I'll find some time to get that rear end finished up. So I'd imagine next weekend I will be addressing welding up all the front stuff. Yeah. Right, thanks for watching. Subscribe if you don't already. Give us a little like, a little comment. I'll catch you in the next one. Cheers, guys. Thanks for watching this video. We're going to have a bit of a break next week, possibly, because of how work's fallen. I haven't been able to get on with this weekend. I've managed to get a lot of the welding and everything done in this, so our next phase on this is to pull up back on the ramp and get all the front and everything welded up, fuel tank, address, all that sort of stuff underneath. So I've needed to move work around to be able to get this on the ramp for a good period of time, which is going to be the end of next week. So I highly doubt there'll be a video next week. Thanks so much for the continued support and following along with the WestBus adventure. I apologise, I've been sending a lot of you over to the website to buy a hoodie and stuff like that, and it turns out there's not actually been a lot of stock. So end of next week there'll be a restock on the website, so it'll be the first week of December if you're watching this in real time. If you're watching this next year or something in January, then obviously don't listen to this part. So yeah, head over to the store next weekend or first week in December, and there should be a fresh restock on hoodies and other bits. Again, thank you for the continued support. Like this video, drop a comment, let us know what you think, give us a subscribe, and we'll catch you in the next one.